Old towns washed out, sky turned gray. Flash floods hitting hard up in Nepal today. People running from the valley as the rivers all rise. Homes gone, lives changed in the blink of an eye. Tibet border shook, mudslides taking the land. Family separated, trying just to understand. Sky news, the latest news from the UK and around the world. Sky news. Rescue teams in choppers, searching through the rain, counting hundreds dead. Whole world feeling the pain. Muddy waters, heavy hearts, nature hitting hard, tearing worlds apart. Stand strong, rebuild, that's the art. From the darkest flow, we rise and restart. Warnings in the air, but the storm moved fast. Villages wiped out, memories of the past. People climbing up the hills just to stay alive, holding on to hope while the rescuers arrive. Whole community's gone, but the spirit ain't broke. Even through the mud, you can hear them when they spoke. We'll rise again, even when the river roars. Strength in the struggle, that's what the fight is for. So pray for Nepal, Tibet stand tall. When the world shakes, we answer the call. From London to the peaks, we feel it all. Humanity's the beat and we won't let it fall.